All living organisms are made of cells, but plant cells and animal cells are not the same. Let us understand the important differences between a plant cell and an animal cell. Plant cells have a rigid cell wall, but animal cells do not have a cell wall. Plant cells contain chloroplasts, which help in photosynthesis. Animal cells do not have chloroplasts. Plant cells usually have a large central vacuole for storage. Animal cells have small vacuoles or may not have vacuoles at all. Plant cells are usually rectangular or fixed in shape. Animal cells are usually round or irregular in shape. Plant cells store food mainly in the form of starch. Animal cells store food mainly in the form of glycogen. Centrioles are absent in most plant cells. Centrioles are present in animal cells and help in cell division. Plastids are present only in plant cells. Plastids are absent in animal cells. Both plant cells and animal cells have a nucleus, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, and ribosomes. In short, plant cells are specialized for making food, while animal cells are specialized for movement and coordination.